And we're back, and ooh, this hand. This hand. Yeah. I really should mulligan. I do have Skithirex though, but I really should mulligan. But I have Skithirex. If I could just draw one swamp, I think I could stabilize. So, I'm not gonna mulligan. Yeah, I'm drawing. Hopefully to a swamp. Yeah, I know, that's awfully risky of me, but, Skithirex, come on. Anyways, no Fume Spitter, okay. There we go. Oh, that was such worth it. Alright, now we have a chance at least. A mirror, that's gonna die. Once I get to 4 mana. Yep, still can't do anything. I'm gonna cycle. Nitrogen Scudder, okay. I just need another swamp. And for him not to counter. Anyway, he's gonna swing for 1. Right, yep. Just gonna draw. Mirage Ogre is a thing. But the Reaver's coming out. Anyways, he's gonna swing for 3. I will take. Reaver's another one that's gonna be a problem, but he's just a Soliton. It's not just a Soliton. Nothing can give me problems. Yeah, we're gonna kill you while we have the chance. Alright, there's a thing. Now, as long as he doesn't counter it, he could still kill it, of course. But I can take one more hit. Now he can't counter it. Ooh, but he can Tumble Magnet that. That's a problem. Probably gonna have to jump block. Should decide, yeah. He's gonna tap that down now. Oh, he's gonna Grasp the Darkness that. Okay, I think I'm dead. Yeah, probably should have mulliganed. Let's see. If I take now, I'm down to 4. He could tap though. I think I'm dead. I'll take it though. See if he has anything else. I need a kill spell. Yep, I think I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. Well, can't do nothing about that. Yep, show him again. Although that hand, that was an aggressive start for him. Can't really do much. Yeah. I could put in a Tainted Strike to save me a turn. That doesn't seem worth it at all. So, I'm just going to spit this one more time and hopefully play it seriously now. That's all.